Inhloso yalenguyazana bekuwukubhunga kabanzi ngezindlela zokulwisana nenkohlakalo. Izikhulumi zosuku bekunguJaji Raymond Zondo nothe izinkantolo kumele zinikwe izinsiza kusebenza ezanele ukubhekana namacala enkohlakalo.
The judiciary cannot play its rightful role in the fight against corruption effectively if it doesn't have enough resources. The courts in Gauteng have been suffering from lack of enough judges and resources.
Uzondo uthi kumele kuvikelwe labo ababika ngenkohlakalo kwabomthetho.
We have called for the incentivization of whistleblowing, by which we mean if a whistleblower has given information that has enabled the state to recover money that was lost to corruption, the whistleblower should get a percentage of that.
Umcwaningi mabhuko omkhulu uTsakane Maluleke uthe kusemahlombe ezikhulu zikahulumeni ukunqanda inkohlakalo.
The best way to ensure that we insulate the public sector and its resources from acts of corruption is by leadership ensuring that they build the type of controls and standard operating procedures that will prevent losses in the first instance, that will detect losses that may be happening, and importantly, that will act as swiftly as possible and as effectively as possible when losses do arise.
Izikhulumi zivumelene ngazwilinye ukuthi amabandla kumele asekele isiphakamiso sokuthi izinkantolo kumele isebenze ngokuzimela ngaphandle kokugxambukela.